In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to restore a Nokia 7210C cell phone to factory settings. Okay, so I'm going to turn the phone on. Okay, so go to Menu, Settings, push the up button, go to Restore Factory Settings, the down button right there, and select Restore All. Go to Continue. You have to enter your security code now. Okay. There you go, the phone has been now restored to factory settings. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments, please like up the video, and thank you for tuning in.